Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an important topic, the 10 mistakes you should avoid as you get older. Aging can be a wonderful journey filled with new experiences and wisdom, but there are common pitfalls that can affect your health, happiness, and overall quality of life. In this video, we'll explore these mistakes and provide tips on how to steer clear of them so you can enjoy a fulfilling and prosperous older age. Whether you're approaching retirement or already enjoying your golden years, these insights will help you make the most of this amazing phase of life. So, stick around, hit that like button, and let's get started. As we age, our experiences, wisdom, and understanding of life grow. However, this does not exempt us from making mistakes. In fact, certain missteps can be even more consequential as we get older, affecting our health, relationships, finances, and overall quality of life. Here are 10 mistakes you should avoid making in your later years to ensure a fulfilling and prosperous life. 1. Social isolation. Social isolation can have severe consequences on both mental and physical health. As people age, they may lose friends and family members, which can lead to loneliness and isolation. The absence of regular social interactions can contribute to feelings of depression, anxiety, and a decline in cognitive function. Furthermore, social isolation has been linked to an increased risk of chronic illnesses such as heart disease and weakened immune function. Staying connected with friends and family is crucial. Regularly participating in social activities, joining clubs, or volunteering can provide opportunities to meet new people and maintain an active social life. These interactions can offer emotional support, intellectual stimulation, and a sense of belonging. Attending community events, participating in group exercises, and engaging in hobbies can also enrich your social network and enhance your quality of life. Embracing technology to stay in touch with loved ones is another effective strategy. Social media, video calls, and messaging apps can help bridge the gap when physical meetings are not possible. Learning to use these tools can enhance your social life and reduce feelings of isolation. Virtual communication platforms allow you to share experiences, stay updated with family and friends, and participate in online communities, making it easier to maintain relationships and stay connected. 2. Ignoring mental health. Mental health is as important as physical health, yet it is often overlooked, especially in older adults. Ignoring mental health can lead to issues such as depression, anxiety, and cognitive decline. The emotional challenges that come with aging, such as dealing with the loss of loved ones, changes in living situations, and the physical decline, can exacerbate mental health problems. Keeping your brain active can help stave off cognitive decline. Engage in activities that challenge your mind, such as reading, puzzles, learning a new skill, or playing musical instruments. Social interactions also play a significant role in maintaining mental health, as engaging with others can provide emotional support, reduce stress, and enhance mental stimulation. Regular social activities can also help improve mood and overall psychological well-being. As we age, we face various stressors, from health problems to the loss of loved ones. It's essential to manage stress effectively through techniques like mindfulness, meditation, and talking about your feelings with friends, family, or a mental health professional. Practicing relaxation techniques, engaging in physical activity, and maintaining a balanced diet can also contribute to better mental health. Seeking professional help when needed is crucial for addressing any mental health issues that may arise. 3. Financial mismanagement. Financial stability is crucial in ensuring a comfortable and stress-free retirement. However, many older adults make the mistake of not managing their finances wisely. Poor financial planning can lead to a shortage of funds, making it difficult to cover essential expenses and enjoy a desired lifestyle. Proper planning for retirement is essential. This includes understanding your pension, Social Security benefits, and savings. Consider consulting a financial advisor to create a comprehensive retirement plan that ensures you have enough funds to support your lifestyle. A well-thought-out plan can help you make informed decisions about investments, spending, and saving, providing financial security in your later years. Accumulating debt can be particularly problematic in older age when income is often fixed. Avoid high-interest loans and credit card debt. Live within your means and create a budget that helps you manage your finances effectively. A budget can help you track your expenses, identify areas where you can cut costs, and ensure that you are saving enough for unexpected expenses and future needs. Older adults are often targeted by financial scams and fraud. Be cautious about unsolicited phone calls, emails, or door-to-door sales. Educate yourself about common scams and never share personal financial information with unknown sources. Staying informed and vigilant can protect you from becoming a victim of financial exploitation, safeguarding your assets and peace of mind. 4. Neglecting physical health. One of the most significant mistakes people make as they age is neglecting their physical health. It's easy to fall into the trap of thinking that slowing down is a natural part of aging, but this mindset can lead to serious health issues. Maintaining physical health is vital for preserving mobility, independence, and overall quality of life. Regular exercise is crucial at any age, but it becomes even more important as we grow older. Exercise helps maintain muscle mass, keeps joints flexible, improves balance, and boosts cardiovascular health. Activities like walking, swimming, yoga, and strength training can make a significant difference in your physical well-being. Incorporating a variety of exercises into your routine can help prevent injuries, enhance flexibility, and improve overall fitness. Your diet plays a critical role in your health. As metabolism slows with age, it becomes essential to focus on nutrient-rich foods rather than calorie-dense options. Consuming a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains can help prevent common age-related diseases like heart disease, diabetes, and osteoporosis. Staying hydrated and limiting processed foods, sugary drinks, and excessive salt can also contribute to better health. Regular checkups and screenings can catch potential health issues early, making them easier to treat. Make sure to keep up with appointments for vision, hearing, dental health, and routine screenings such as blood pressure, cholesterol, and cancer checks. Preventive care can help detect and manage health conditions before they become severe, ensuring that you stay healthy and active as you age. 5. Avoiding new experiences. A common mistake is thinking that new experiences are for the young. This mindset can lead to stagnation and a lack of fulfillment. Engaging in new experiences can provide mental stimulation, excitement, and a sense of accomplishment. Embrace lifelong learning. Taking up new hobbies, learning a new language, or enrolling in courses can keep your mind sharp and provide a sense of achievement. Lifelong learning opportunities are often available through community centers, online platforms, and local colleges. Pursuing new interests can also introduce you to new social circles, further enriching your life. If health and finances permit, travel can be a fantastic way to gain new experiences and broaden your horizons. Whether it's visiting new places locally or exploring new countries, travel can add excitement and joy to your life. Travel allows you to experience different cultures, meet new people, and create lasting memories. Even short trips and local excursions can provide a break from routine and offer new perspectives. 6. Failing to adapt to technology. Technology is advancing rapidly, and it plays a crucial role in modern life. Failing to adapt to new technologies can limit your ability to stay connected and access essential services. Staying up to date with technological advancements can enhance your daily life and keep you engaged with the world. Take the time to learn how to use new technologies, from smartphones and tablets to social media and online banking. Many communities offer classes for older adults to help them become tech-savvy. Understanding how to navigate the digital world can open up new avenues for communication, information, and entertainment. Technology can significantly enhance your life by providing access to information, entertainment, and communication tools. It can also help you manage your health through apps that track medications, appointments, and fitness. Online resources can offer educational opportunities, virtual travel experiences, and connections with friends and family worldwide. Embracing technology can make your life more convenient and enjoyable. 7. Neglecting legal matters. Neglecting legal matters such as wills, power of attorney, and advanced healthcare directives can lead to complications and stress for you and your loved ones. Addressing these legal issues proactively can provide peace of mind and ensure that your wishes are honored. Ensure you have an up-to-date will that reflects your current wishes. An estate plan can help manage your assets and provide clear instructions on how they should be distributed. Estate planning can prevent legal disputes among heirs and ensure that your estate is handled according to your desires. Designate a power of attorney to manage your financial affairs if you become unable to do so. Similarly, an advanced healthcare directive outlines your preferences for medical treatment in case you cannot communicate them yourself. These legal documents ensure that trusted individuals can make decisions on your behalf, protecting your interests and well-being. 8. Failing to maintain a purpose. Having a sense of purpose is crucial for mental well-being and overall life satisfaction. Many people lose their sense of purpose after retiring or when their children leave home. Finding new sources of fulfillment can significantly enhance your quality of life. Engage in activities that provide a sense of purpose, whether it's volunteering, pursuing hobbies, or participating in community services. Staying active and involved can give you a reason to get up every day and feel fulfilled. Meaningful activities can provide a sense of achievement, foster social connections, and contribute positively to your community. 9. Ignoring environmental changes. As we age, our living environment may need adjustments to ensure safety and comfort. Ignoring necessary changes can lead to accidents and decreased quality of life. Adapting your home to meet your changing needs can help maintain your independence and well-being. Consider making modifications to your home to enhance safety, such as installing grab bars in the bathroom, improving lighting, and removing tripping hazards. These changes can help prevent falls and injuries. Ensuring that your home is a safe environment can reduce the risk of accidents and provide peace of mind. Ensure your home is accessible and comfortable. This may include installing ramps, widening doorways, or moving essential rooms to the main floor if stairs become challenging. Creating an accessible living space can help you maintain your independence and continue to enjoy your home. 10. Overlooking the importance of fun. It's easy to get caught up in responsibilities and forget the importance of having fun. Enjoying life and finding joy in everyday activities is essential for a happy and healthy older age. Prioritizing leisure and recreation can improve your mood, reduce stress, and enhance your overall well-being. Make time for leisure activities that bring you joy, whether it's gardening, playing games, painting, or spending time with grandchildren. These activities can improve your mood and overall well-being. Engaging in hobbies and creative pursuits can provide a sense of satisfaction and relaxation. Participate in social events and gatherings that you enjoy. Whether it's a book club, a dance class, or a community festival, these events provide opportunities to have fun and connect with others. Social activities can enhance your sense of community and offer enjoyable experiences that enrich your life. Conclusion. Avoiding these 10 mistakes can significantly enhance your quality of life as you age. By prioritizing your physical and mental health, managing your finances wisely, staying socially connected, embracing new experiences, and maintaining a sense of purpose, you can enjoy a fulfilling and prosperous older age. Remember, it's never too late to make positive changes and live your best life. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you found these tips on the 10 mistakes to avoid as you get older both insightful and helpful. Remember, it's never too late to make positive changes in your life. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on living your best life at any age. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. We'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences, so drop a comment below and let us know how you're making the most of your golden years. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep thriving.